Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking moment in artificial intelligence, the unveiling of GPT-Image 1.5, a foundational shift that promises to redefine how we create and interact with digital visuals. The race in AI image generation has been nothing short of intense. Giants like Google, OpenAI, and Midjourney have been pushing boundaries, each striving for supremacy in this rapidly evolving field. For a long time, OpenAI's GPT-Image 1, while powerful, held a respectable but not leading position on the text-to-image model ELO leaderboard, facing a significant challenge from other formidable contenders. Early models often demonstrated strong prompt understanding, capable of grasping complex descriptions. However, this often came at the cost of image fidelity, resulting in visuals that, while conceptually accurate, lacked photorealistic detail. Even more challenging was editing. Attempting to modify an existing AI-generated image often led to a complete breakdown of fidelity, forcing creators to restart from scratch, wasting precious time. But now, GPT-Image 1.5 shatters these limitations. It delivers sharpened fidelity, superior text rendering, and an unmatched level of photorealism, transforming imagination into stunning reality. As one observer noted, every human should have the ability to visually articulate themselves, and it's finally happening. GPT-Image 1.5 empowers you to bring your vision to life instantly. Observe the transformation, from completely illegible scribbles to perfectly formed intentional text, seamlessly integrated into the scene. This is a leap in textual accuracy within images. GPT-Image 1.5 allows text to become an organic part of the generated world, whether it's a street sign, a t-shirt slogan, or a detailed infographic. No longer just an overlay, but a true component of the image. This model is so advanced, it's the only one to legitimately pass the infamously difficult Giraffe prompt, accurately depicting the animal's complex anatomy and pose as described. It's not just about pixels anymore, it's about understanding intent. GPT-Image 1.5 interprets your creative vision, translating abstract concepts into concrete, hyper-realistic visuals far beyond mere geometric shapes. This model showcases an unparalleled mastery of complexity and detail, weaving intricate patterns and elements into a cohesive, believable image. With GPT-Image 1.5, edits are surgical. You can precisely modify elements without any drift, ensuring the rest of your image remains perfectly intact. The editing score speaks for itself. This means you only change what you ask for. No more collateral damage to your image when making significant alterations. The model understands context and intent with unprecedented accuracy. Even through multiple complex edits, GPT-Image 1.5 maintains lighting, composition, and crucially, identity. You can iterate and evolve your creations without losing the core essence of your subject. This advanced capability extends to face preservation, an area where many models struggle. GPT-Image 1.5 achieves an astounding 89.96% face preservation, even when dramatically altering style and background. Whether you envision a classical painting, a modern architectural marvel, a vibrant anime character, or abstract art, GPT-Image 1.5 renders your vision in any style you desire with breathtaking fidelity.
And it's not just better, it's faster, much faster. GPT-Image 1.5 boasts a remarkable 4x speed increase over its predecessor, delivering stunning visuals in mere seconds. With these advancements, the leaderboard has been completely rewritten. GPT-Image 1.5 now proudly stands as the new #1, setting a new benchmark for text-to-image generation. Its dominance is further solidified across various benchmarks, including the LM Arena leaderboard, where it secures the top spot with an impressive ELO score of 1264. OpenAI has crafted a dedicated space built for visuals within ChatGPT. An intuitive interface with preset styles and trending prompts makes creation accessible to everyone. Now, your phone becomes a creative studio. GPT-Image 1.5 brings powerful, high-fidelity image generation to your pocket, enabling creativity on the go. It's not just powerful, it's economical and built for integration. With API costs approximately 20% cheaper, GPT-Image 1.5 seamlessly integrates into your existing workflows, making creation faster and more cost-effective. While GPT-Image 1.5 represents a monumental leap, OpenAI transparently acknowledges its current limitations. Scientific accuracy, complex diagrams, and multilingual text still present challenges, areas ripe for future innovation. OpenAI's GPT-Image 1.5 is more than just an image generator. It's your creative co-pilot, an unparalleled tool that empowers you to visualize, iterate, and bring your wildest ideas to life with unprecedented ease and fidelity. The world is vast and waiting. Subscribe to Discover Earth 360, like the video, and share to spread the wonder of our planet.